meal today, I've got 5,000 mealworms. We're gonna put together a mealworm farm. It's super easy. I've done it a few times. I murdered all of my last ones. I think I bought 10,000 last time and they ended up all going kaput. But we're gonna try again. They're actually super easy to take care of. You just have to take care of them. All you need are 4 things. Some sort of a container, keep them in. These are from Home Depot. They're less than $8. You don't have to have a lid. The little critters can't climb up it because they're slick. They can climb up wood and cardboard. So plastic or glass are ideal. These are a good deal because they're very sturdy. The last time I raised them, I used these little totes with the lids. It worked fine. They just stack on top of each other. For their bedding, I'm using oatmeal. You can use wheat bran, and in some places you can get it at your feed store for a really good deal, but not around here. This is the most economical thing I have found. I'm emptying this entire container in. I want about an inch deep. They don't like to be out in the light though, so it needs to be deep enough that they can climb under. Just gently place the mealworm bag inside. Now I'm just gonna open up this newspaper and they're gonna be all through here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dump them all out. So they just came in the mail today. So they're moving a bit, but it's cold in the mail. So as they warm up, they'll be more lively. Last couple newspapers. Shake them out. It's kind of mesmerizing watching them. The rest of these guys into their house. Okay, they're all in. They went down into the oatmeal right away. They like to be hidden. So fun, it's so fun. These medium-sized ones, they don't bite, or I've never had them bite me, and the small ones don't. But the large ones, they can nibble you. And so I don't buy the large. I am gonna do another layer of the oats so that it's thick enough. Bought 2 trays because I knew that it wasn't gonna be long and I would be outgrowing this tray. So I'm just gonna keep them all in here for now until they start pupating into beetles, and then I'll move the beetles into this second tray. But that won't be for a while still. I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with the other canister of oatmeal so they have a nice place to hide and they all can get underneath. And then we're almost done. Last step is to add some sort of moisture so they can get all the liquid they need out of a carrot or a potato or an apple. I grabbed carrots. Carrots and potatoes are less likely to mold. The apple will mold more readily and make a mess. So they will come and eat these down and they'll dry all up, and then we'll just replace them. These little beetles are cleaners, and it's the only one I saw in this pack. The last group I bought had several of them, so I'm hoping they're in there and I just missed them. This is the next morning. It's Sunday morning. I put their box together on Friday, and look how much of the carrot is gone. And this one, there it is. So I'm gonna give them another bit of carrot. I'm gonna spread them around so they don't have to travel as far. There we go. I laid the newspaper that they came in back on top. You'll notice they will eat. They will eat it. Like little holes in it, but that's okay. We've had them 4 days now. I'm already finding the little pupa. So there's one right here, and there is another one right over here.